What's up everybody, whydavis here, back with another review. So I'm showing you guys the Air Jordan 6 Aqua. These officially came out today for a retail price of $200. The current resale is currently going for about $200 to just under. And if you guys want these, in my opinion, if you have not got them yet, you can wait a little bit longer and you will be able to find these for way under retail, in my opinion. But with Christmas coming up, prices could, skyrocket over time, but I don't think it will on this shoe. I did go true to size on these, which is really rare. The Air Jordan 6s do run big, so make sure you guys stay throughout the whole video for the sizing tips. All right, we don't get this just retail on the box here, but we get this aqua color on the box, which is in like a purple and like a green, kind of the Charlotte Hornets colorways. All right, now open up the top of the box here. I do get a stamp on the inside of the box. All right, taking out this beautiful shoe, we get some regular tissue paper right here. And this is the shoe right here, guys. Dope colorway. All right, on the inside of the box, damn, I just ripped the tissue paper. On the inside of the box here, we do get the white and green sticker. All right, we also get these lace locks on here in black and purple, with the Jumpman being in purple. All right, and I took that off of one of my shoes, that's why it's in the box. But this is a shoe right here, guys. Let me know what you guys think about these. It's a copper drop for you guys. In my opinion, it's not a must-have, but they look really nice on feet, especially with like grays, greens, and those type of colorways. But these are really nice, but it's not a must-have in my opinion. But for anybody out there that is looking for these, if you guys want to see how they look on feet, you already know I got you later on in the video. But this is the shoe right here, guys. Really nice. Like I said, really nice colorway, color blocking, but in my opinion, we don't get the best quality on this shoe. Now, when we got the infrareds, it came with like that, very soft, tight nubuck. This one, and what I mean by tight is like the hairiness is like all, buffered down, and it's just real smooth. This one has that hairy suede on it. Hands on the patterning on some of this shoe, you get pattern changes, but like towards the front, you don't get really too many pattern changes that you can see. But towards the back half here, you can see a little bit better like the motion it has. But in my opinion, I don't like the materials that they use on this Air Jordan 6. Like, I like this shoe, but it just looks like that, cheap suede where it gets ashy very quick, and I'm not really into that. So this does look nice, but it has that cheap suede on it. It's black bottom, but the Jumpman being in purple, and we see this icy blue sole. Now, in my opinion, I either like it to be all the way icy or all the way yellow. I don't like it in between. Midsole here, we get some green, some black or aqua on the midsole, both the outside and the inside of the shoe. We also see a little bit of that translucent, and we see the air bubble towards the back of the shoe right there. This hairy, nappy suede on here, and it has that ashy look to it. So, after a few wears, these will start to look ashy and whatnot, and I don't think they gave us a really good quality on this shoe. Even in my shoe, if you guys look at it, it has a lot of glue stains and stitching errors, so I'm not really happy with the quality that I got on my pair. Hopefully, if you guys are picking these up, your pair does look better than mine. But as you guys can see, I don't have the best pair right here. Same thing on the inside of the shoe. Give you guys a quick look. Again, some more glue stains, stitching errors, and I'm just not really happy with how my pair looks today. But this is it, guys. On the toe box here, these will crease up pretty easily on you. As you guys see when I'm touching on this toe box, it is a soft, nubuck on here, or suede material. So, these will crease up pretty easily, in my opinion. But you guys can use my code of whydavis on creasebeast.com to save yourself $5. Looking at the mud guard here, we see a little bit more glue stains, but then we see the black mud guard. Unfortunately, we only do get one pair of laces in these, and they come with the black laces. You guys look towards the bottom of the tongue here, we get like this mesh, and then towards the middle here, we get this neoprene with the Jumpman being in purple, or like a bluish it look like. It doesn't look like the purple that's on the side. It kind of looks like a bluish depending on the lighting, but it's like a blue purple on the Jumpman there. All right. Once again, we do get these lace locks in black and purple, and at the top of the tongue it says Air Jordan in black. Looking at the inside of the shoe here, we do get some tissue inserts on these. The sock lining of the shoe is in black, like that ashy black. Taking out the actual insole. This is a good insoles. They give us a dream cell insoles on these. We get this purple and green type of color on the insole with the sizing sticker. All right, and the Jumpman being that aqua color. Back in the insole, you can see that as a dream cell insole. Underneath the actual insole, we get some more cardboard on the inside of the shoe right there. Towards the back here, we get these pull tabs in black and purple. And that's pretty much gonna do it for these shoes, guys, all right? I'm gonna show you guys my foot is in the toe box right now. Okay, guys, so this is really like on feet, pretty clean in my opinion. Now I'm a true size 9, let me get 9.5 on my shoes. I did go true to size on these, and Air Jordan 6s do run a little bit big, so I did go true to size. And I'm gonna show you guys my foot is in the toe box right here. So I'm working around, if you guys cannot tell, my big toe is right here, so I still do have a good amount of space in here, and I don't feel this material on the outside or on the inside of my foot. and you can possibly even go down half a size if you like a snugger fit. Now, with that being said, I have one shoe unlaced and one tied up. On a pair that is unlaced, my foot is locked in. I don't have any slippage on it. And on the inside of this shoe, it does have that elastic band tongue, so it does help your foot stay locked in. So just in case you guys are wondering about wearing your shoes unlaced, you won't have any slippage. But other than that, though, they feel really nice on feet, especially with the Dreamcell insole. And I'm gonna show you guys what these like some different pants options right now. Okay, guys, so hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.